Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to find Delete Business Manager on Facebook. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to see more over here on the left side of the screen and go to Ads Manager. So guys, from here, just simply go to your profile over here on the left side and just simply select your business page. And after that, once you have done that, just simply go to all tools over here or the three lines on the left side and go to business settings. And now just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here business manager, and it will redirect you to another tab. And after that, just simply scroll down again and go for a business info. And from here guys, you should be able to see here permanently delete business. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.